Hey everyone! In this video, we'll learn about what a PLC is and why it's used in the electrical industry. A PLC is essentially a U. It's a special kind of computer that's used to control machines and industrial systems. Back in the day, we used a lot of cables and cords to control machines. But now, PLC has made everything way easier. A PLC has three main parts. First up, the input section. Here, the signals come from things like push buttons, sensors, or switches. Next up, the CPU. This is the brain of the PLC. It decides what to do based on the program. Lastly, the output section. This controls the motors, lights, or other machines. Take, for example, this. If you press the start button, the PLC turns on the motor. And if you press the stop button, the motor turns off. The benefits of PLC include less cabling, faster work, easier troubleshooting, and full automation. That's why PLC is used a lot in factories, plants, and packing machines. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and always hit the bell icon. Stay safe. Alhamdulillah.